go for enter motor go town.
Motor where you enter go town? You go front now, go front.
That's right.
Go front this side.
The never school at all. My goodness. Go ahead. Where I go for enter motor when they go town? Yeah. Go. there?
Welcome. What I want to give you?
What do you get?
You get semo.
Egusi soup?
No, egusi don't finish. Na banga soup there.
Banga?
Okay.
Madam, good day here. Madam. Come with your rice. The food not here.
Nigerian rice. Bring down.
Okay, sir.
Bring down. Give me rice now.
Can I still give you rice?
That's all good. No manchi. No one. Thank you.
Eh? Now get up. Now you be. Okay, what's in the fire for you?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Now you be. Come on, Jare.
What can I do for you?
I don't know. I see one man for you. They check this motor. He lie down for you. I ask him who he begin to greet up. I don't know what thing they do. Just like person they inside.
Good morning. Who is this?
Ah, wow. So the man fit talk self.
Jambu, my name. Come from village. One night yesterday. So I come. When I see I enter company, I don't know anybody for Lagos. No get friend. So I go to them with this motor cool. So look at there. And I speak. Anything where any human being they do, I day and not get one naira. If you give me any work we can do, and they get money out of the shop.
Sure, sir, if you do anything,
I shall not begin to come to Lagos.
what can you do?
So human being they do so far, killing person not there, and thieving not there.
Field mechanic.
Are they crazy? What is the knack? I'll be the mechanic.
Wale.
Okay.
Carry me. We show us some kind of things. We could not go feed you.
Okay, sir.
Follow.
Back there.
To make money for township, you know they easy at all. Even if I go na village, or do not village or do not sabula, in case you are go and get your fella. I'll be a melon, the mother take. Before what did I say? To be a man is not a day job. Come back as your pool, echo to no pool. No way, no how, where to make money where they easy. Now you make it people talk to say, before what did I say? This life is better. Before what did I say? Be my one of my diggings in my name. This life is better.
Which nonsense mechanic did you give my car to repair that has caused several damages to my engine? Sonny! I'm talking to you, say Sonny. Come here. I am not leaving here until you provide this stupid man.
Who work on Oga's car?
Okay, now that fat man will see for his time to that day. Jumbo. Now in Duamo, no be me, I don't even know when he's wrong.
Are you stupid? How many times have I warned you not to allow Jumbo to work on Oga's car?
Listen, Gerald. If you don't provide this man, you see what I'll do to you. I'll go and come back. Just come for me.
Jobu! Hey! Jesus Christ! Jobu! What did you do for Lagos? Huh?
Don't tell. But you make us sit down.
Jobu! What did you do for Lagos? I ask you.
Hey! Sineke to akide. Nico,
what's happened?
I don't want to cry again. You know that I will come up for prison finish. You know, so from my house now, where the village, all the sheep and the goat were there, all of them sabi me, and chicken. If I go outside, they come in like this, all of them come meet me for. They say welcome, always how they hear the language. As they come this one, everybody run, they come scatter. Fowl they run, goat they run, they go on. Everywhere grass full am. I say, Mama don't travel. Make her look see Mama grave.
Mama don't die.
No one cry again.
Sorry, Joe, sorry. Sorry about your mama death, eh? Sorry.
I no go cry. But wait. I say even all our brothers and relations, all of them come hate me. Nobody want to see me again. I say make better make I come off from village. May I find somewhere. I come Lagos. Even after they come, I don't even the hopes I go see you. Hey. And God now bring this problem come and make me see you so. What do you do that man? They carry this in the pursue you.
See, the guy meets me say, give me money. I say I no get money. He say if I get I will give you. And this guy won't kill me for so. All these madmen, that's what they do.
That one they crazy like that.
See, Lagos no be like village where we say if you dey mad, you go carry that guy. For Lagos, you go see person go stash in clothes, go wear suits, him go dey mad. As you see that guy, so you not mad.
Now walk. Madness now walk for you.
Now wetin dey take dey survive for this town? Hi. So where your bag now?
I want to ask you how I want to take run go that place. Go carry go. I no say wetin I dey run for no concern me.
See, we'll come off for here because now big people now they stay here. Hey, I don't even ask you. If you ask you where you go, Lagos. Sorry,
I never run this guy wrong before.
So make money for township, you know they easy at all. Even if I go na village, I do not fella tata. I go Zabula, in case you have to go and get your fella. I'll be a melon, the mother chibu. Before what you see, to be a man, it's not a day job. Come back and see your
I just say to stay with your brothers for here.
Those ones. But if I tell you waiting, those people won't use me doing. They nearly turned me to houseboy for that house. Nobody tell me make I come out, sir. I begin hustle for myself. Now I take care of this place. So.
Even as when they come here, say, but your family house when they come home.
No. I did on my own since now. They hustle.
Are you buy bed, buy this?
For the hustle, I take get everything. Don't worry, you go soon get your own. By the time you don't begin hustle like me, now you arrange all these things.
See that hole.
No, see now for Lagos, you know if you stay one room will leave. You need to stay with that is stay with cockroach or stay with rats. Now all these things that they make the house they live there. All the chicken they make.
Person they sleep. If you come out go kiss person.
Yeah, no, go kiss you. The rats supposed don't do us by now. They will get used to you. Thank you.
You cook something?
You see John Brown, they cook for you. She see that booker for that road on they come. Now they are the eat.
Go that side?
Yeah. So if they're hungry, like say we'll go there go eat too.
Yeah, but you say the road will run finish. Make a bath first. Water did that drum.
Water did now. Make I just arrange water for you now.
I beg.
You just relax, yeah? Make I tidy all of the things.
Make money easy. Now you make it people talk to say, me who want the rice,
Nothing will be like this. You enter your house like this, walkie, open and sleep, fed. And this squat.
Take this life for my country, can Anuake. If I want to rise, take this life for Take this life for
Boy, you read that. That's the way you tell me that. Why did you laugh? That's the way you just be saying we and this man because so you be conductor, you know tell me.
That one. See, matter for Lagos here. If you don't lie, you know if you make come. Everybody when you see for Lagos, all of us na liar will be. You understand? If you see people say, Mr. Liar, how are you? We'll be all liars. That's what the thing go for Lagos. And I say, now you don't find a welcome.
Even to me.
Yes. This is your shirt now black, and you know go argue and black.
This life is a game, just like Babi Jabu. If you don't make them today, you go make them tomorrow. Even life will not they pay, because we're packing with no pay. I risky, oh. I be a melon, the mother Jiku, not Tunike, Gananike, oh. Hey, yeah. Take this life for Jete. Oh, you know. If I want to rise, if I want to run better. Take this life for Jete. Oh, take this life for Jete.
What now? No first be like this, what happened?
Jumbo, you remember that thing where Bamboo talk? When he talk, say, you get the way I go to say, you go replace with another conductor, blah, blah, blah. Remember? But that thing happened.
I lie.
I say Bamboo don't find himself another conductor. No be lie. Now make me deal like this.
You do am. Oh, so far. Who will beg more?
Beg me over my dead body. See, Jumbo, instead of me to go beg that guy, you better make a carry gun and enter street. Me.
Hungry man is an angry man. Since morning you never chop anything now. Eh? Think calm.
Yeah. That one day we never eat. But now that one I still dey talk. Okay, fine. If to say the way I take the enter street go the hustle, now the way you take the enter street go the hustle, if at least support go they come from your side, you know, if you just sit down here and say you never eat.
Where I know?
Where me know?
No, everywhere. Where I know where?
Where me know?
You know first me there.
Not be one day I come.
No, make me dey feel like say I know the important.
No, don't be say you know the important. You go got to make yourself important. We don't do the Lagos. But what me I dey do now you go do. And the hustle you go the hustle. No put heads together and move do one. Otherwise you go there. See, the way they look you say blind na village get you. Na village you go soon go.
God forbid. Why you talk like that? I will go village, but I go die first before I go. Not the man when they talk next time you begin tell me say we dey go village. I don't like that kind of language. I beg.
Jumbo, so if you don't want to go village, make we start to the hustle. When we enter streets, find money, how we fit survive? That's how the thing go here. Oh. God, this come on 2,000 naira. Yeah? We dey mercy for you. We dey mercy for you. Normally we know they collect 2,000. This na government work. Can you just bring 2,000? I don't like all this kind of rubbish. It's okay. Yeah. Jumbo, come there. Who there? Yeah, who there? Yes. Listen. No be that cars come here. You are from the internal revenue. Yes. We won't come collect our levy, our normal levy. So you just go inside and bring it now.
But officer, I thought this was supposed to be the job of the officials for the inland revenue, but not the army.
My friend, will you shut up your mouth? Now you won't tell us how to run them?
No.
Now you want to tell government how to run this thing? Listen, for your information, you're on the soldiers, the military, everybody are taking over this government. You don't understand? I said, go inside, go give me your levy. They tell me rubbish. Fast.
But I'm up to date. I'm not going any levy.
What do you mean you're up to date? Can you prove that you're up to date?
Sir, I can't.
How?
I have my receipt in there.
You have your receipt?
I have it, sir.
Are you sure you have your receipt?
I have my receipt.
So if I tell you to bring your receipt, you bring it here?
I have it there.
So if I tell you to bring inside, you bring your receipt?
I have it, officer. It is there.
Go inside, go bring.
Go and bring your receipt. Just go. Go. Wait. Are you sure you have your receipt there?
There, sir.
You can bring it out.
It's there.
The receipt.
It is there.
Jumbo, should get receipt. Come on, yawa.
Make sure you bring that receipt.
Keep that receipt well.
Idiot, na idiot. How can you have the receipt? You are an idiot for having the receipt.
That's what you want me. Thank God the builder association make move for that place. Oh. That woman, see I. No how when this woman will get like 2 or 3 army people in Sabi. We be big people.
Hey, see, you know what this tire me? Eh? I said, come bring your receipt. You say, I have it. Where's your receipt? You say, I have it.
And he get them.
And he won't go bring them.
Hey, bro, this business. My brother.
No. See, if na the business not just good, there is business they pay. See, now the only year we don't cover now, we don't make small thing. By the time we cover all this place, we will make better bar. The whole student got to continue now.
Nico.
See what money will make.
Hi. I nearly melt.
To make money for fancy, you know they easy at all. Even if I take on a village, or do not follow it, or do not sample, in case you have to go and get your fella. I'll be a melon, the mother people, before what you see. To be a man is not a day job. Come back and see your poor, no poor. No way, no how, where to make money, where they easy.
Well.
What comes next? What would you like?
What do you have? Listen, get me a plate of pepper soup and 1 bottle of Hero beer.
Give me 1 plate of apple and my own pea soup.
Okay, sir.
So fast. Keep moving.
Whichever.
As I say, keep moving fast.
Yes.
Like a military suit.
We're going inside your bedroom to go and sleep. Rubbish.
Which kind of stupid question that would they go with the access? Any problem?
The money for the things you took.
Take this. You don't know people where they talk to? You want me to bundle go station? You want me to bundle go office?
You see khaki, you know they look khaki at it.
You know guys are going to worry you. Idiot.
What happened? I asked you what happened.
You tried to speak English, you tell us so.
What happened now? What happened? I only asked them for money for the things I took.
And I shut up your mouth. See, madam, this your girl no get manners. If to say you don't come outside now, for carries they go look for bar.
Hey, no, I beg. Officers, no vessel. Whatever it is, I can solve the problem.
My friend, let's go.
Now this made me no like civilians, seriously.
Officers, come back now.
I'll chop you next time.
I can solve the problem. Come back.
Solve this
Officer.
problem. Just solve this problem.
You, Seth. What is your problem? Eh? What's your problem? Eh? Not cause problem from you. You know, say this is on their officers, and you're dragging money with them. Eh? What's wrong with you? Don't bring trouble in this place, oh. Don't bring trouble to me, oh. Officers! I'm not paying you now, you go. Very stupid.
To make money for township, you know they easy at all. Even if I take on a village, or do not follow a shot out.
Go well, it makes sense.
From the waiting to the go, if you will let nobody, their boss, take the boss go to my own.
Jumbo, you get what's not the reason. I feel like we could enter checkpoint. That will make double of what we make now.
Checkpoint?
That checkpoint.
Now police work now.
Now you don't confirm to me say you be real local man.
I beg come out there. Who be you? You don't know who I be because you call Lagos, just because Lagos.
You guys pass me.
for village? No, you want to say no for village? Village. Oh, man, come on there.
Is it past glory? You dey use village compare Lagos. Now we go show you as they go.
Because I will not go there, beg. I sharp die. You know that one.
If you know say you sharp, more enter checkpoint.
The way they collect money for checkpoint, now police and they collect money. No, we just leave them. They collect our own police, they collect their own. And they tell you.
See, guy, we need to make double of this amount. If we enter, we go make money. You never see when soldiers they dey for checkpoint. How you dey dumb man?
Just expect bullet from now.
Only bullets. Bullet na energy drinks. We go take am.
No way, no how, we went to make money where they easy. Now you make it people talk to say, me who want the rising, oh. Take this life for
Fred, are you there? Those men say, Fred, are you there? Those men are here. Not up to 2 minutes ago. Eh? They are around, yes. Are you coming? Tell me now, are you coming? Just come now. Okay, start coming now, start. Eh? Okay, I'm waiting, eh? I'm waiting, okay, thank you so much.
Go. Let's see the journey. Not you. I know you.
No, we need to enjoy it. It is so easy to be soldiers. It's like small benefits now.
I know you do. You just sleep for bar. Very well. Where is this woman?
This.
Officers.
Madam.
I hope so everything there okay with you.
Yeah. You want to kill us because we'll be army.
You see, Anna, so.
And when we chop and finish, you'll give us another. We'll give us. Thank you for the fish.
So, you sure say you don't want anything?
But that's because like what's peace? Huh? Where are the peace?
You want peace? Okay, you will go for that place.
I would like more peace for this side.
Oh, wow, no. I'm not the peace that side, here are the peace.
Now your peace?
Here!
Not maybe one piece.
Madam, see, I like peace for where they go.
Officers, see, I'm not the peace that side, now this side I the peace now.
How about the meat?
Officer, now.
For here. Put the piece for 7 seconds.
Jumbo!
God, I see what's in now. That's what we still there.
I think I will go where me different.
Jesus Christ, what am I?
That woman never know.
Suspect her. Get the way the woman take him come outside, he go outside, he make call. The woman just stay restless. I know say something there, but I don't just reason her.
Nah, worry. You no go that woman place again.
Hi.
You no go there again.
Who there go do waiting? See, we need to change our position. You see that place don't cast. We will just find another route to go. We will just go there, go all our side. But that place, I know they go there again.
The same army uniform?
Yeah, the same army uniform. That one, we need to change that one.
No, army go kill us all. You know the army know they play. No, we begin use police.
Police?
If army na shooting, police na sell.
For Lagos here, police no get level. They know they regard them. You see this khaki? They fear. You understand? So we're just to change our routes. Everything will be okay. Hi.
So one thing is this when they wear army uniform, they work out all the know the army.
No, they don't write down for face now. But you see those ones today. See their face. Those ones they be real army men.
You know, the original army they come there.
How would they know? That is now only also they dominate that place.
What I want to tell people say that they go they rush they see Jumbo lie down for that place. Blood full gonna shoot, they shoot me. I mean, not the joke.
Thankgod say we chop because of four come out.
This life is a game, just like Tabi-Jabu. If you know, even if I go na village, or do go fele tata, or do go sabula, in case you bate go get your fele, or be a melon de mado chiku, before what you
it be like village. Not even one motor now face it.
I know see here be like village, and cars no dey too pass here. Then make me say we'll come here.
You know?
Yes, now.
Now cars come here.
What do you expect? You want to go place where they open, so that people will just easily see our face, recognize say we will not be real, we will not be too real army. That didn't make sense where they coded.
So you know this one say we not feel go place where they open. Because say we can go take buy from police.
Try to get patient for something.
And they won't since more you never chop anything.
I know you don't hit them since. I know that day you won't land. See what believe you they don't you know they tire. Eh?
I tell you because you know say when I don't come like this. No eye they clear. You want to hit us?
You want to kill government property?
You want to hit the army? Okay, you want to jam army?
No, you want to kill us?
You want jam?
Who are you?
I'm man.
I know you.
Yes, we are one.
I'm from which command?
No, man, they go, no problem.
Young man, I said from which command? You can go, sir. Just
We know they
said from which command?
Okay, no verse. See, I got no verse. No verse. Make I tell you true. We know they command anybody, and nobody they command us. See, I beg, hunger. See, just go market, go buy this.
No.
Not drop up. That thing will carry up, not drop up.
Wait! You have no fear?
And I just calm down. Okay.
Wait!
I don't know how to swim from Thankgod.
You bloody civilians! Huh? Both of you! I'm taking you to the barracks to teach you how to be real soldiers. You imposters! Rubbish! Nonsense! What rubbish? No, not while I live. I shall handle them. Touch them.
Wait. Not drop up.
I said, today, no fear at all to go on army uniform. No, not while I live. I'm going to squeeze life out of you both. You have not fear for this nation. You have not. Yes, young lady, how may I help you?
Sorry, my name is Crystal Johnson. And these guys are my people.
Uruba, your people? Do you know the degree of the offense? These idiots, these bloody civilians are impostors on army uniform, and you call them your people. Hey, madam, don't tell me you are an accomplice. Don't.
Okay, maybe I should talk to Brigadier Magudu himself.
What nonsense, what rubbish, Hey, take them down! Go down! I said get them down! Go down!
Please, Oga.
I'm taking both of you to the station, to the barrack.
Hello, Magudu?
I said handle them!
Hello, Magudu?
Handle them properly!
Yes.
After dealing with you?
Your boys have refused to release my people to me.
Rubbish! Nonsense!
Okay. Maybe you should talk to them yourself. Okay. Excuse me, sir?
Yes?
Someone wants to talk to you.
Hey, who is that?
Someone wants to talk to you.
Hey, who is that? Who is that bloody idiot? Guess who are you? I said who? Hey. Shut sir! All correct, sir. Sir. Yes, sir. The impostor, sir, on army uniform, sir. At once, sir. Immediately, sir. Yes, sir. It's done, sir.
It's okay. What's up with you guys? What's up? You're almost going to some serious trouble.
I beg, I'm not going to this. Wait, I'm going to give you peace now.
Okay, just calm down. Maybe we should get into the car. We'll go somewhere to talk about it, okay? One of them. Let's go, come on. Come on!
Around 2 to 5.
This is better now.
No, it's better fancy now.
Okay. No problem, don't worry. The moment we leave here, we'll go straight to the boutique and you pick anyone and any clothes at all you want.
My God.
And shoes. I will take care of the bills.
Crystal beer!
Correct guy. Correct guy.
Hey! Look at this. Are you gay yet?
Huh?
Are you getting this place?
No. Well, a friend of mine owns this place. I come here anytime I'm bored.
And that's what's right. I tell you, this place, you don't go back. And if you get out,
Please fine, fine. Hey, Crystal, what about Cleo, Abraka?
Those are our class people.
See this guy.
Robo. Exactly. Because after school, everybody goes scatter now. We don't see each other again.
Supposed to ask him out soon.
We're not contained now.
Yes, now.
Because you know, say that time for school. Not too close.
No, but guys know themselves.
That was okay. When they did, you don't hear anything now. It will happen.
Guys know each other at this mill than they. You know that one.
You know Cleo now.
Cleo, I know Cleo now. I know that short Cleo.
That short one. Not be me talk, oh. I heard the girl got married to one rich bobo. They said the bobo they beat him. They beat him. And I heard that she was even pregnant. And the guy they beat him on top. The guy said Cleo lured him into marrying her. So he beat him along the line. Cleo won't go born.
The kid died.
Belle come out. Cleo won't die.
So Cleo don't die?
She don't die.
And this die own and the grandpa pass.
Wait, life goes on. I mean, if to say you know come rescue us today, at least say both of us safe or don't die. You know that kind of thing.
Life goes on.
No one say life goes on. We look for guys to do this one.
See?
They forget us. No, give us that. Thank you for everything.
Oh no, while my Oh my dear, you don't need to just say anything. You know we were very close in school, so you know what I will do? I will put you two on a deal that will fetch you good money. Huh?
That good money on that here pass.
You hear, Amba?
I know they play with that. You supposed to get this with you.
Good money.
She's coming.
Oh, okay, thank you very much. We're still in case now, coach.
The guy don't try well.
So don't touch all those boys now. We players now.
But the Nigerian agents are demanding a payment of $40 million. Yeah. It's pretty large, huh? But we're negotiating on it presently. Okay. I will give you feedback as time goes on. Alright, my regards to your boys. I will be in Spain sometime soon. So don't forget to spoil me with those Spanish poker tricks you've always spoiled me with. Alright, Mr. Benzema. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Wow. That was my Spanish associate.
You know that one, huh? Your connection, a high connection.
You guys are looking extremely gorgeous.
Thank you. Now your power now.
We don't that you now. You follow you go back. In fact, I don't even deposit my life for your savings account. Anything you say make I do, I go do one for this life. Anything, mention it. Even if you say make I kill this boy, I go kill him.
Huh?
Kill who?
How far with that Malaysian guy, Mr. Raka?
We don't settle that matter. Connection done there. She'll drop tomorrow.
Eh?
She'll drop tomorrow. Trust me now.
Wow. This calls for celebration.
Yes, sir.
John! John! I'll be right back. John! Let me get some drinks.
Why you don't know John?
I go to the local boo join now.
That does for leader pass. Dig door for lady pass. See, okay, see that guy.
Yeah, right?
Yes.
Side down. Yes, so I'll do the final signing. It's a done deal. It's a done deal. Oh, yeah?
Yes, yes.
Thank you very much.
Is this nice with you? I like that.
These boys have duped me, my millions. Oh my God. But on the ship, I'm finished. I'm finished. But the money I made over these years, what will I get my family? What will I get my friends? Oh my God. Oh, my millions gone. Oh, I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. Jambu, Jambu, Jambu.
Where do you think I'm going? I am Inspector Maxwell Okon of the EFCC.
You what?
EFCC.
So what's up?
You are under arrest. Yes.
Under arrest for what?
For fraudulent practices and other related offences under the law of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Listen, you have the right to remain silent. For anything you say now could be used against you in the court of law. Boys, hey, Oya.
You know us.
Abi, you won't know us.
Never mind. I know you.
You want to know us? You want to know our Madam Abi? This man want to know her, madam.
You go face our madam if you see him.
Listen, I will suggest in your own interest that you move to that jeep now. Otherwise, we apply force on you.
You want to know her, madam?
Yes, I would like to meet your madam.
You want to meet them?
Yes.
Okay, money go.
Let's go.
Come.
Huh? Let's move now, boys.
Okay.
Oh yeah, move them.
No, I see you won't lose your job.
No.
Move, my friend. Madam. Yes. Move. Huh? Better see. Let's go.
Oh, you also have madam.
Move. Let's go.
My friend, move, my friend.
Move.
No. You can see her, madam.
I said move.
No.
I said move. Move them.
Where my girlfriend?
Move this way.
Don't lose your job.
I said move.
Don't lose your job.
I said move, my friend.
Krista.
Yeah, Jumbo, what's up?
Krista. Yes. Yeah, oh, we're there here. In front of your house. We don't explain, give them finish, even call your name, give them. You get one stubborn one when we say, no, you don't even want to listen at all. They are head. No, I don't give her my phone, no, for it. I ain't there.
Okay, I'll be there in 5 minutes. Okay?
Okay, 5 minutes time. Okay, 5 minutes time.
Anything off, I never see anything. Our godmother now they carry the play. I don't know her. See, this is the woman they control SSS. She they control Navy, they control Air Force, Army. Una still get mind come to us all this other, especially you. You see with your eyeglass. By the time she come here, I go pull now. Beg. Don't worry. Just wait.
If na not beg with una knees on the ground, call me bastard.
Wow. I can't wait to meet with such an awesomely powerful lady. Look, gentlemen, I give your so-called godmother the next 3 minutes. Just
like when I beg now, as I look hungry, so as when I beg, we know how we take feeling now.
When we dey feel for them. If she come now, you your way they sharp your man. Beg. No room for negotiation. I'm telling you, no beg me. I don't be like no dey beg, no beg me. I don't be trying to beg, no beg me. Make sure. Don't worry.
I wish IG would just call me. We don't melt like that.
Look, gentlemen, don't provoke us any further. Don't ever dare it.
Just wait.
I wish. Why did man?
I did mad. I did crazy. Do I look like I will never go mad? Yeah, you, I be you. No one, you make she come.
Gentlemen, the time is up. I'm moving. 5 minutes at the last. Move it down. Move that. Move
make money for township, you know they easy at all. Even if I take on a village, or do not follow a charter. Or they go Sabula, in case you are a take on get your fella. I'll be a man on the mad. Before what do I say? To be a man, it's not a good job. Now I guess you're poor.
Wait. I don't hear that side way. What do you know so they think?
I don't know if you understand. See girl house. Now you see her. Girl, I get this guy house. They buy clothes for me and you see what you have. Girl, buy, give me. I'm not going to think. See, get all over the class. See what he buy, give me. Okay, if not be say this girl surface for that matter, we will enter. Hi for me. Tell me.
See, that's why in the morning when you wake up, you're supposed to pray to God. Now God get power.
You don't need Chris now. Pray for this guy matter. This is what we do. If not the way they do good, you will pray. If not the way they do not good, you will begin pray again.
Wait, what is the reason?
Won't make God punish you.
How? See, make a clear your mind. You see all these people they go rob for night for enter street. Eh? Before they enter street, they pray to God.
Because I don't know Chris tell him now.
I don't suspect you.
I'm not the joke.
Okay, what's going to take God?
Fine. See, Father, I cover this robbery with the blood of Jesus. You see this gun I soak. They go soak the gun and the bullet with the anointing of the Holy Spirit. You don't know.
You same the wall over the soak ourselves?
Yes, now.
Bros.
They can use something.
I'm not sure say you will. Not be down something in my mind.
What be that?
Waiting. Talk now. What's the problem? What's in your mind?
I want to let you. You laughing matter. I tell you, not me. Why do you laugh?
You want to join military?
I tell you that for security reasons.
Hi.
That's not the you laugh. Wait, tell me. See command, see that boy. Yesterday. Sit down. Sit down.
Sit down.
Get up and get up quickly.
So.
See face as a huge. Like as you kind of bob like this, the vex drop off my face. Not be one eye for that.
That's survival. Now you gonna make you want to go join military. No, make a clear your mind again. See, military not be the way you reason am. Not be like say because you dey set to go see that time of school. Everybody dey shout jump, you go dey do like this. They say American man. See, they go mountainize your face. Not be this all of the American mountains. So now military is they talk here.
Oh, good job.
Don't try it.
I'm not expecting this from you. But as a wise rich, you know that army, you need army. No matter say they command them at least. Let's say if they close, they need to they from window go see bullet go outside. Take bullet, they scatter everybody. No go take off.
Jumbo. Wait. See.
I not tell you. Thank God that you even stand the call they call me. You know Sam. When they tell you something like this, see, I can tell you, me will give him a chance. Me will try him. Nothing wrong for trying.
This army thing don't enter my eye. Everywhere we turn, army matter.
See, if you try me, if you not work, we'll leave him. Don't try him. If near you do army finish, wear uniform, let's enter our village. You know what's in there for that village?
I can feel yeah.
You don't ever see anybody for that village in the army.
No deal. So you say more really try this thing?
Now.
Give me make I read that news finish sef.
Okay, welcome.
Madam, how are you?
I'm fine. Okay, you not tell me say they come today. What's it gonna happen?
Is it mandatory that I tell you? Anyway, I had a little break in the office, so I deemed it fit to come and see you.
Yeah.
And one more thing. Our recruitment process is starting next week. Remember, you told me you wanted to join the force.
Yes!
Get ready.
Eh?
Yes, get ready.
Officer! Yes, now I did ready. Even now. Where could they go?
All right, just relax.
I ready.
Relax.
Come,
Get ready. Get ready. All right. All right. You wait.
See how you get body rich, see, you know the tire.
Waiting.
I'm not saying that will not easy. You don't get face.
They not be that girl they train. Waiting they look for a face. Now normal girl now.
You know Sabi that girl?
How?
I know that girl.
You know her?
For our class that time.
For school?
For school. You know, get sense. That, you know the girl went that so in the front. This side where that guy the answer question. For their back, and then this girl they stay.
Down at them to lose.
If to know their life, if you come here, go Sabi am.
Oh, I no go lie for you. I don't remember her face.
Plus, we will go meet her. May reduce this train. I beg. We will go meet her. I beg.
You go meet waiting. See, I beg. See, no go do anything. Go implicate us for you. If you know the game, know am for yourself. Leave am now.
Me at the train. What if I die there? If I die for that place?
If you die in a bad thing. If you die now, your dead body don't turn government property. It don't really mean you can die. Yes, now.
Make I die first before I become government property. I go take off for bros.
You want run?
body still you know the tire.
Waiting.
I'm not saying that will not easy. You don't get face.
They lobby that girl the trainer. Waiting are there they look for her face. Na normal girl now.
You know sabi that girl?
How?
I know that girl.
You know her?
For our class that time.
For school?
For school. You know get sense. That you know the girl went that way, the front. This side where that guy the answer question. For their back, and then this girl they stay.
Down at them to lose.
If to know their life now, if you come here, go sabi am.
Oh, I no go lie for you. I no remember her face.
Bros, we will go meet her. May reduce this thing. I beg. We will go meet her. I beg.
You go meet wetin? See, I beg. See, no go do anything wey go implicate us for you. If you know the game, know am for yourself. Leave am now.
Me at the train. If I die there, if I die for that place.
If you die in a bad thing. If you die now, your dead body don't turn government property. It no really mean you can die. Yes, now.
Make I die first before I become government property. I go take off for bros.
Tomorrow.
Again. So we line up like this, jump, tire, jump wood, jump this one. Follow up the snake, we make God charge. As it listen, my dear, as you just go the first time, turn. Your turn finish, the one now from there, just snake come out.
That's what you were saying.
Hey!
So, you mean no more soldier job for this house?
Look your face, you will know the answer.
For me, yes. Wait, that is.
For you, yes.
That will be better again.
Oh, okay. Back to serious business now. Are you guys ready to join my business?
I did the matter there.
You get join?
We fit join now.
No. I didn't talk, I didn't do it. Okay, business don't start.
Eat this first. Yeah. See, no they joke with all these people. No they joke with them. I tell you, they joke with them. People now fear. God forbid I don't see them. This place, where the product comes from. And now we'll go feel it. We'll remain there. No, they do that.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. I can't remember inviting anybody here.
Yes, actually. But to start with, do you recognize me?
No.
Oh, well, I am Sergeant Joseph.
Oh, you?
Yes.
Okay, how can I help you?
Please, can we talk inside?
Inside?
Yeah.
I hope there's no problem.
Oh, no. Everything is perfect. Everything is fine. Please. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Please, my car.
Oh,
Yeah, what a beautiful house you've got here.
Thank you.
Yeah. I know you'll be very surprised to see me in your house.
Yeah.
You know, after our encounter the other day, I went home and I lost sleep. I couldn't sleep. I was like, who is this girl? Honestly, all my years in the 3 have not come across such person. Yes. I concluded within myself that I believe we can do things together. We can actually run things together. Trust me, I have never seen such.
You know, some days are like that.
God, my dear, you're just a genius.
Thank you. We'll give God the glory. So, do you care to eat anything?
Don't worry, I think I'm fine with this.
This?
Yes, I'm fine. My dear, truthfully, I have never seen such all my years.
Move it. Oh, Shobe. Oh, Shobe. Oh, Shobe. Oh, Shobe. Oh, Shobe.
Come.
You the
I don't come and follow.
I don't want to get press.
No, na village people, like the man,
Shut up! Shut up! Hey, mad Bob, punish you, idiot! Don't you know you're talking to soldiers? You bloody civilian! It's yours. Now, you gotta fracture! 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 Down! Fracture! You don't know what is fracture? Come on, fracture! Fracture! Jump! Jump! Come on, jump! It's yours. Come on, fracture! You don't know. Bloody civilian! Come on, bloody civilian! Bloody civilian! Come on, continue! Continue! What's yours? Come on, jump! It's yours. Come on, jump! Come on, jump! Stupid idiots! Come on, jump! Jump! Just jump! Stupid idiots!
So, baby, you see that? No, we'll go inside now. The second time, my mom they shake, don't they shake?
Okay. You see small time, people will begin coming in.
I know, but you know, see, if we go inside now, I chop something. I don't go waste time. Nothing I go.
Don't already do one now. Why will not leave him as to talk to tomorrow?
Oh, but no problem. No see my peanut, baby. Che, you can have some. Tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow.
I'm not free. How will manage for you?
Go, don't worry. I go call. Yeah.
Make we the day close as we the day before now, eh? What thing can they happen? At least we the day close before. Make we begin the do them again.
Well, my dear, you know how this military thing is. You know, you're hardly at a place. You might be here this minute, but the next minute you can't predict where you will be.
I know, but at least make you they give me, even if now one day like this, make we they enjoy ourselves, they take care of ourselves.
It's all right. We'll plan towards that. Yes.
Okay.
We will know as we are.
Monster. Joseph!
Hey! Are you stupid? Have you got nuts?
Sorry, sir.
How dare you address me by my name?
Sorry, sir.
Without respect! This will be the very last time it will happen. God-forsaken maggot! Idiots! Man! That is gonna kill!
I'm sorry, sir.
Imagine the case where I'm trying.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
I was meant to understand that you are in charge here.
Yes, sir.
Wow. That's beautiful. I want you to meet me in my guest house later today.
No problem, sir.
So you guys can live with it.
Never pay me, yo.
Wetin happen?
Oga, you never pay me, yo.
You know the years that they operate under scholarship for this country.
Oga, you must pay me my money today before you leave this place.
I know they pay for food, I know they pay for drink.
Guy, pay this girl money now. Make she go serve other customers.
You won't carry this yawa for head?
Sorry, sir.
Come on, your mouth for this matter.
Oh, I don't hear.
I know they pay. Obamu they come out here.
Oga, if you not pay me today, you need to leave this place. You must pay me. You must pay me.
You not gonna leave me for food. I go make it.
Oga, you must pay me this money.
Now your madam be that.
What's it? What happened? Madam. What happened? Madam, this Oga drink, you don't want to pay me.
Madam, now you get here.
What happened? Why you don't want to pay?
No, I no talk say I no go pay. I won't carry my friend make you for peace for here. I dey ask her how much you know they tell me.
How much in they owe you? 2,700. Come on, pay her.
No, I no talk say I no go pay. I'm just want to escort.
Shut up and count that money.
Madam, sorry. If I don't say now my office, I get on now.
So you get money for your pocket, you no want pay before.
I take 3,000 naira.
How much with that?
3,000 naira, ma.
Take the change. Madam.
3,000 naira.
You don't say we'll be civilian. Take this one, make it for
2 bottles for yourself.
Oh, so you want bribe me, eh? Will you shut up and keep that money? Now, why you kneel down and frog?
Hey, madam! Hey, madam! Oh! Hey! Sorry. Hey!
Action! What is civilian? Just sit there! Come on, move!
It's indeed a wonderful time we've had. I hope to see you again this weekend.
No problem, sir.
You're not happy, right?
I'm happy, sir.
Are you sure?
I'm okay, sir.
All right, just
I'll just drop down.
All right.
Have a nice day, sir.
Yeah.
There's no reason why you always tell me that you're busy each time I call you. Is that?
Have you suddenly become so less busy that what you now do is to monitor me around? Right? Now listen to me. This is my life. You have no right whatsoever to tell me how to live my life.
Sergeant! And who is this bloody civilian? Who is this bloody civilian?
How dare you refer to her as a bloody civilian? Now listen. The earlier you realize that she is my girlfriend, the better for you.
Sergeant!
Deal with it.
Sergeant! 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 You think you can hide? Oh, madam, please. I'm not ready for your trouble. Oh, so you're talking back at me, eh? You're talking back at me. You're talking to me. No, you're talking to me. So you think you can hide from me? Oh, madam, please. I'm not ready for your trouble. Will you shut up? You're talking back at me. You don't want my trouble. No, I will give you the trouble. I'm ready to give you the trouble right now. Oh, yeah? Please.
One, two, let's go. Come on, Fletcher!
No!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Fletcher will destroy your life, idiot! Oh yeah! Move!
Fast! Fast!
Tell your face. I know you're surprised to see that I'm alive.
I'm very surprised. You mean you escaped from the arrest and you didn't even bother to come by to check on me?
Oh, no, not like that. I'm sorry. You see, I was afraid. I was seriously afraid. But after everything, I decided to join the force.
You mean you're not a soldier, right?
My dear, that's an understatement. I am now a captain. So you can address me as Captain Nicholas.
Okay. How come the soldier? Is it that easy?
Okay, let me share my testimony with you. You see, I was among the officers that was sent for a peacekeeping mission in Afghanistan. Yeah? So after the war, for those of us that survived it, we were sent to Canada. Some of them were actually sent to Canada, and like the rest of us were sent to France, you know, to study in a course. So that was how we got our promotion.
This is unbelievable. Nico.
Yes.
Captain Nico.
Yes. I am captain.
Oh, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Yes, I think we toast that, right? Yes, a good life.
So, are you happy now?
Yes. So what about the watch?
Yeah, it's a promise. I will get it for you. But you have to promise me you will visit me again.
But you know I'm all yours now.
Yeah, I know that. I know that. I know that.
So when am I coming?
Are you asking me? Tonight, of course.
This night?
Yes.
Thank you.
You know, what do you mean, ma?
Did anybody come looking for me?
No, ma.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma.
Bloody civilians.
Is she on the way? She's drunk. I'll see you someday.
The man will pay in $500,000 into your account. Once you receive the money, pay it to my Nigerian account. It's okay. I will give you your cut. 20%. No. Oh, okay. 25%, and that is fine now. Okay, yeah. Take care of yourself. Bye. Were you?
Yes, I had actually listened to your conversation. So don't tell me you're still into this dirty deal. Alright, please come. Let me talk to you. Listen, I don't want you to end up like Jumbo. Huh? Look at me. I am now a changed man. And I want everybody around me to do the same, including you. Say no to crime. It is dangerous. Alright, fine. I know it's about the money. But I have made lots of money. Lots of money to take care of you and myself. Okay, let me take you back memory lane. You remember back then in our secondary school? You know, when we used to feel like we are everything. Tell me, how many of us are alive to see this day? Oh, you remember Tolo, Mike, Elena. I mean, anytime I remember that girl, I feel very bad. You know that girl actually died in our hands because of our youthful exuberance and sins of the flesh. Krista, God can still forgive us. The future of this country lies in our hands. The future is in you, and it's in me. Please. Huh? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Who is that? Who is that? Do you want to put my girl? Who? Who is that? My friend, think it is who?
Now this guy?
Yes, he's the one.
Whoa! I can see. So you are the one that impregnated her? Me? Okay, you're asking me impregnated her? Are you mad?
Did I impregnate you?
Camilo, you're denying me. You're denying me.
Will you shut up? Shut up, you bloody civilian! Will you shut up?
I did not impregnate her. Ask her. I did not.
Oh, you're talking back at me, eh? You're talking back. Now, listen. She's pregnant and you're going to marry her. You're talking to me, front jump! Front jump!
Okay.
You're asking me marry?
Okay. Sorry.
Front jump!
Okay.
Front jump!
Mama.
Sorry.
Sorry.
You don't know what is front jump?
I'm trying.
Come on, jump!
Okay.
Jump! Jump! Oh, you don't so. Come on, jump! Jump!
Okay. Mama, ask her.
Oh, please. Please, can you sit down? I need to talk to you. Listen, I called you here so we could resolve our differences. I've told you before, and I'm saying it again, that I don't want this relationship anymore. It's over between you and I.
What insolence! Who gave you the impetus? You actually said it before, but I took it for a joke. Now I see that you're serious. But listen to me. Nobody tells me when to go into a relationship and when to come out of it. Do you get that?
Oh, please, let's not argue over this.
I still maintain that I say when to walk out of relationship, not you. It has never happened before, and it won't start from you.
I've made my decision and that is fine.
How dare you crazy? You dare not try that. Don't even try. Easy. Silent. Huh? This is how you go about oppressing innocent citizens. I'm asking you. I need you to thank your stars. I'm in a very good mood today. So I'll let you go. But let me warn you. Let today be the first and the last time I will hear or see that you molest or oppress anybody in this town again. Have I made myself clear? Sir, yes, sir. Have I made myself clear? Sir, yes, sir. Now let me see you make a right one. Gentlemen! Yes, sir! Idiots!
Don't mind. That's not how a Nigerian man would behave. He's just an idiot.
To make money for township, you know they easy at all. Even if they go na village, or they go fella tata. Ọ dịghị ụzọ ọbụla nke si akpata ego nke dị ofele. Ọ bụ ya melụ ndị mmadụ ji ekwu n'ife ụwa adịrọ isi o. To be a man is not a day job. Ka m gwa gị eziokwu, ego dị n'okwu o. No way, no how, way to make money where they easy. Now you make it people talk to say, me who want the rise, oh. Take this life together.
do? Bloody civilians! I said fast! Coach! Let's go. My dear, those bloody civilians should not try me. I don't understand. That result supposed to have come out by now.
I wonder. The result is really taking too much time. Seriously.
I don't know. Hey, but they should not try me. Bloody civilians. They want to try me.
Officers. The results are out, and it seems to number 1.
Yes.
It seems that people are trying to play Mago.
What?
I've told my own.
Mago what?
It's not possible.
If they're jealous, those bloody civilians. Let's go. Let's march. And my number 1, so where is it?
Yes, officer. The result is out. Your number means the jackpot.
What rubbish! What rubbish! Do you think I came here to play? Do you want me to set this place on fire?
No, please. Honestly, Madam Officer, you are...
What? You called me Madam Officer? A high-ranking army officer? Oh, you think you can toy with me? Now, from John! Get out! From John!
Sorry, it was
You still have the gut to explain.
Excuse me. Officer, resort. Sorry.
Please, officer. You're still explaining. You still have the gut to explain.
Officers, please can I know why my agent is being punished in this manner?
So you are the chief agent that owns this place?
Yes, sir.
Wow, this bloody civilian! I came to this place for him to give me my result, and I've been here since with my colleague. But he refused showing me my results.
Officers, now that I'm here, we can still resolve this amicably. Can we all go into my office?
To do what in your office? What bloody civilian?
Let's go into my office.
To do what? What's happening in your office? Come on, march! March!
Sorry, sir.
March! March! Look, are you sure this check will clear?
Yes, sir.
Because if this check bounces, I will kill you.
No, it won't bounce.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
We'll kill you.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
At all, it won't bounce.
Bloody civilian. Let's go. Keep cooked.
Madam Officer.
Bloody civilian! Shut up and front up! Shut up!
Oh, can't see
Oh, your sister! Front up! Bloody civilian!
My girls, and Wing, we're here to celebrate with our brother, our friend, for adding +1 today. So, at the count of 0, he's going to cut the cake. Are we ready? Are we ready? Let's go. 9, 8,
oh yeah,
7,
oh yeah,
6,
oh yeah.
5, 4,
Do you?
3,
Oh yeah.
2,
Oh yeah.
1.
Oh yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now?
Oh yeah.
How old are you now? How old are you now?
I am +1 too. I am +1 today. I am +1 today. Yeah, who is that?
Don't tell me you're still sleeping.
Why are you so excited as to disturb my sleep?
You see, I'm very sorry. It's just that I can't keep this news till tomorrow. I just need to break the news to you.
What's the news?
See for yourself. Come on, man. See for yourself.
What? What's this?
What is your problem? It's a letter of deployment to Maiduguri for you and I and other of our colleagues.
And you call that good news? Are you out of your mind?
I don't understand what you meant by that.
What do you not understand? You want to go to Maiduguri and die. You want me to go to Maiduguri and die in the hands of Boko Haram. You want them to kill me untimely. No, I am not ready to die yet. No, Mbano, no, I don't want to go to Maiduguri. I'm not going.
What are you talking about? You mean all those years of preparations on how to tackle the menace of Boko Haram? Listen, let me tell you something. This is the time for us in the military to tackle these boys once and for all. Come on, guy. We are more superior than these guys. We are more trained even in physical and combat. Don't tell me that you have forgotten your military skills so soon. Because I tell you what, mine is still intact.
Hey, no, please just stop, alright? Stop before you pluck my ass without moves.
Listen, what I'm trying to tell you is that the UN, I mean the United States, want to step into this. You know what that means? So much money will be involved.
Ooh.
Much Benjamin.
Ooh.
More Benjamin. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, man.
I see the source of your excitement. I can see the reason you're so happy. Money. forgetting that Boko Haram will not fail to do lunch with your meat if you get there. Can't you think? I am not going. I am not going to Maiduguri. Get that?
What are you going to do? Are you going to flout the directive? I am very sure you're not going to do that. I am very sure you are not even going to think about that.
What makes you think I won't do that? What makes you think I will change my mind? What?
Except you want to go on a war. Still, my friend, let's do this thing together. Remember the promise we made to each other. We've come a long way in this military career. And we've promised ourselves to stick our heads above the crowd. We don't need to chicken out like cowards. In the face of trials and temptation, we need to stand out because we are trained for that.
No, spare me that. I don't need it. Now the breaking news is, not even you or anybody will make me change my mind. Right? I am not going to Maiduguri. That is simple. Why do you want me to die?
Die, you said.
Why do you want me to go to Maiduguri and die? A young man like me, now listen, I have a whole lot of responsibility on my shoulder to carry out. I cannot go and die. Not now. I love my family, I love my wife and my children. I'm not going. Just get it straight. What's that?
Ha! It's very obvious to me that you are still bent on making this your baseless decision. But let me tell you something as a friend. Before you run into a hasty conclusions that you will regret, because I am sure you are going to regret it, I want you to think twice. Please. And also remember the saying that goes towards obedience is better than sacrifice.
Oh, please.
Yeah, Crystal, you know I am very, very happy because the society that we live in right now is a peaceful one. You know, people are gradually changing, and that's a sign that God is really working. I am indeed very happy. Yes, but I have a question for you, right? You see, not like I cannot ask you directly, but I don't even know how to say it. Maybe because I've not done it before, you know, but I would just try and make it easy, you know, as a man. You don't have to blame me for things like that because as a man, you know, this is something that happens, you know, one time in a lifetime, and just. But anyhow, I'll try and say it, okay? I know you're eager to hear. Please, Kristen, will you marry me?
Yes.
Yes, sure. Yes. You will?
Yes.
Let me tell you the truth. The movie that we just finished is quite challenging, but to the glory of God, we're done with the move. And I believe that at the end of the day, it's going to make waves in the market because the storyline is quite awesome. It's great. It's great.
Okay, sir.
Why not? Yeah, why not? Nigeria is endowed. We got a lot of gods, a lot of Buddhists. All the guys from Bayelsa, Anambra, Enugu, Imo, Abia, Lagos, Lasgi, Abuja. That from this country. None is from outside the country. You can see my baby here, my baby boo. Oh shit.
Yes, kind. Oh, sweet. I say that.
Yeah, I'm not gonna say that.
No, please don't say that.
I'm not gonna say that.
Please don't, okay? I love you guys.
Manager, I can't endorse or something now.
Just let me sit a little.
Yeah.
And this is
Gumbo to the pier.
yeah.
Let me see the manager, the other manager of Espana International Hotel. The hotel, they have been nice to us, they've been doing good to us, honestly. So anywhere you go, I can bet on Espana, Hotel de Espana. What's the name again, sorry?
Anthony Madu of Konji.
Okay, Anthony Madu of Konji. He's the manager of this great hotel here. Thank you. Keep up the good work, right? Thank you so much. Shit, please, one more.
The film. Growing above me or more than me. Ebu DOP.
Oh, nnukwu mmadụ dị fara onye a ka a na-akpọ fọndem popular nọ na Bibombo Club bishop ka ibu ebeze dị grama ya ahịa ọyịkọ na they say na me be production manager. Yeah. Okay, by special grace of God na me be production manager, me be wey you Bibombo Club.